Okay, I'm gonna show you how to receive $5 by inviting a friend or family to sign up with Cash App by Square. You see I got the app open here on the home page, but if you look to the left, the top left, you see that circle with like a head in it. Click it. And there at the top, you see where it says share. You click the share, and I'm gonna send it you can send it via email, Twitter, you can send it whatever. I'm gonna scroll across Facebook, but I'm gonna just send an email. So I'm gonna hit the mail, and I'm gonna invite my wife, JOC. So hers right here at the top. I'm gonna hit it, and you hit send. And that's all to it. And if they sign up, you will receive $5 on your Cash App. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. You can also sign up with the Cash App in the description below. The link is below in my description. Thank you.